20 years ago. The two top CEOs in the world were Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. Bill Gates' mom was cooking for them. And she actually asked both Bill and Warren, what's the one factor that has contributed to your success? Both Bill and Warren said exactly the same thing. One word, focus. And what I learned is that focus really means this. Focus is that skill and ability to prioritize high-value decisions, but also deprioritize and delegate low-value decisions. So the only question you should be asking yourself every day in your business is, how do I focus and optimize my decisions for faster growth?
Myself have truly benefited from his insights and from his ability to distill such a fantastic concept into bite-sized pieces for an audience like mine.
And so I truly wish this for you. When you have the ability to focus and actually make the best decisions for yourself, your revenue and your business growth, you will make a greater impact, not only on your life, but also on the lives of others, and change the world.